Hi my dear friends! Many of us know that we just can't do without some good tools, because it's a lot more convenient and a pleasant experience to use them. So today we compiled 3 ideas that will help you with upgrading your tools. The first patient will be the corner ruler. First of all, we need to drill holes every 5 mm. Upgrade complete! Time to test it out! Thanks to the upgrade, it'll be possible to draw continuous lines without even watching. We just need to place a pen or a pencil into a hole representing the needed length and draw. By the way, the degree of precision is about a millimeter. The most useful thing is that I can draw not only straight lines, but also curved ones. So, in case if you don't have a pair of big compasses but you really need one, or you've got one but because of the size you get fed up carrying it with you, then I advise you to make DIY folding compasses from a measuring tape. To make one, we need to drill holes all through the tape 10 mm apart. And then insert a pen or a pencil into any of the holes and draw away. One of the main advantages of such DIY compasses is its very compact size. Our regular measuring tape becomes 2-in-1, both a tape and compasses. Besides, you'll be able to draw really wide circles with it, up to tens of meters. So here's the third idea. It's for those who wanna drill through holes in soft materials, like rubber, fabric and the like. Since it's pretty hard to drill holes neatly and nicely with a regular drill bit, we'll need to resort to the help of an electric plug from such an adapter. First, let's cut off one pin and then insert it into the chuck of our cordless drill. By the way, I suggest not to compare an electric plug hollow steel pin with a telescopic antenna, because the steel of a hollow steel pin is much thicker than the steel of an antenna. Besides, the steel of the pin is more solid. Nowadays, it's a real challenge to find an antenna made of stainless steel only. In the majority of cases, they're made from copper or aluminium. And to illustrate you the way this head attachment works in action, I decided to drill through 1 cm thick sheet of plywood and show you the process without speeding it up. As you saw, the attachment was hungry for a bit more, and cut through the table too. But nothing is wasted for a good video. So thank you very much for your attention, make sure to click the like button, that means you want us to upload more frequently. So have a nice day, bye! Hi there! Today I want to share 3 ideas about what can be made from bottle caps. And for the first project we will need a couple of caps and necks from the bottles. We will also use a strip of plywood. And first of all, let's cut off a few bottlenecks with a hacksaw and smooth out the rough edges with a piece of sandpaper. Here's what we should get. Now let us stick them to the plank using hot glue. As a result, we get such a neat panel with small containers you can use to store bolts, nuts or fishing hooks. Now the second idea. For these projects we will need 7 small caps and a bigger cap, like from milk or juice. First of all, we need to make 3 small cuts on each of the 3 caps. Now let us arrange the caps in the shape of a flower and glue them together. Also, let us straighten a green clip into a stick. Then make a hole in the bigger cap and one more hole in the smaller cap. And after gluing the clip to the caps, we've got such a great flower-shaped business card holder. And by the way, if you like to draw, the third idea will come in handy. To do this project, we will need a CD disc and of course some bottle caps. The idea is very simple but pretty useful. So let us take a bunch of caps of different diameters and just glue them to the surface of the disc. As a result, we get such a creative painting palette made from seemingly useless items. So, if you're interested in these kinds of ideas about recycling plastic bottles or bottle caps, let us know by pressing the thumbs up. And as always, have a nice day. See ya!